In this video today, I'll show you 3 ways to adjust your columns in Excel. Okay, let's jump into this. If you come up and you select the header or the column that you want to adjust, if you move your mouse to the right, and you will get a double arrow cursor. If you left click and hold the button on your mouse, you can now move your mouse to the right to increase the size of the column, or you can move it to the left to decrease the size. You also can select the column and you can right click and go to column width on the menu that pops up, and you can key in the size that you want. Let's say I want a 25 and click OK. It adjusts to 25. Also, if you can adjust it to a lower size, so let's say I want a 15 instead, I can click OK and it will reduce it down to 15. Now in either case, you can, whether you're using the header option or the column option, you can select multiple columns and do that all at one time. So let's say I wanted 3 of these columns to be 25 wide. I can right click on it, go to my width, and I can say that I want it to be 25. And then if I see, oh, they're too big, instead of keying it back in, I can actually come up here and just adjust my header and say, okay, I would like it to be this wide. It now reduces them 3 columns that you had selected to that size column. If you have data that you already have keyed in and you need to adjust your column accordingly, you can also come in and select your column that you want. You'll see I have some words that are a lot wider than my column. I can, as long as I'm in my home menu, I can go to Format, click on the drop down and come down to my Autofit column width and click that. It will automatically adjust to the column, the width, adjust my column width to the size of data that I have selected. If my data is smaller, I can actually come over here and say I want to reduce this. I could do it the same way. Select it, pick my menu, and it will reduce it down to the size that you have. Sometimes when keying in numbers, you have a number that's bigger than the column that you have, and in that case, it brings up pound signs, not displaying the whole number. Here again, the quick fix is to go to select the header, go to Format, and hit my Auto Fit, and it will automatically adjust to the largest number I have for that column. At any time, you can always come up here and you can actually get your double arrow in the header, and you can now select it if I wanted to make it a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller based on how you would like it displayed. If this video helped you, please click the like and subscribe button. And here is some more videos that might help you on your journey of being productive with Excel.